promise you at the end of this video, a lot of people will make money in the airdrop space after watching this video. I promise you also, before December 2025, you may make at least $300, $400 just only watching this video, because I'll be giving you the list of 2 airdrop you should never stop mining in 2025. So with this, I promise you something close to $50 above $100. Okay, even at the end of this year, we have 12 months in a year, so getting $50 multiplied by 12 months isn't a big money. So you can just wait for me to give you the list of these 2 airdrop you should never stop mining in 2025. So if you guys is not mining grass airdrop is the number 1 I will put in my list. So you can go to my comment section or description, click on the link and start mining the grass airdrop. The all-time high for grass airdrop is around $3.7. But at the time of recording this video now, 1 grass is above $2.05. So we are still going to like $3 before the ending of this month. So I will promise you to like start mining the grass airdrop. Just go into my comment section, click on the referral link and start mining the grass airdrop. So you can make a lot of money, since 1 token is $2 at the time of recording this video. So when you have 100 tokens multiplied by 2, that is $200. So just using this grass airdrop. The number 2 airdrop is NodePay. NodePay is the second airdrop I'm going to put inside this video. But for me, I will put all my efforts in the boat. But I will put grass airdrop first before I put NodePay. So the reason why I'll be adding NodePay is because NodePay is around $0.1, and we can still see the market even thinking of going forward again. So we can see something around maybe $0.7 or $1 above for this NodePay. So that's why I don't want you guys to stop mining these 2 airdrop. The reason why I'm creating this video is not because it's a paid video or something like that. I do mine those 2 airdrop on my laptop, on my phone always. So I don't want this to be like I'm the only one benefiting in this airdrop space. I want you guys to click on the link in my description and start mining the grass airdrop and the NodePay airdrop. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs of like, and go to the comment section, write the list of airdrop you are mining so I can know how to create content to satisfy you more better.